Hi there, everybody. It's Tim,
Caroline here.
and we're getting ready to do our session Listening by Design at the IAF Asia Conference 2019 in KL. And Carolyn, what's with the funny ears? What's going on?
Yeah. Do you recognize this ear? This is Dumbo's ear and that's Shrek's ear.
Very nice. And what do they mean? Why do you like that?
Dumbo has large ears. He can capture a lot of content. He can listen for a long time. And then Shrek has tube ears and that's focused listening.
Wow, very good. So speaking of ears and superpower, super ears, what are we going to do in the session?
Well, we're going to find out what are the barriers to listening and how we can overcome them so that we can listen a lot and focus and be very focused in our listening like these super animals.
Very good. Okay. So we're also going to introduce this visual model of story listening, which is about listening to content as well as context and then relationships. And through listening through those three lenses, what is the emerging meaning and story? So this is a skill that we use in our visual practice of listening and capturing, synthesizing. Listening and drawing is challenging but also a very powerful skill. So this is a way to deconstruct that and give you an experience of live listening and drawing as a great ninja skill in facilitation. So what do you think?
So really, please bring all your ears. We are all ears for you.
Bring your ears.
Yeah, just in about a day's time, we're going to meet you at the IAF Asia Conference.
Look forward to drawing out and listening with you. Take care.